Grizl ALR7. So stay with me to unbox it. Let's get started. This is nice. doesn't come with the pedals, so I bought the pedals separately. So yeah, let's assemble them also. Hi, hello again. So today I had the chance to come out and in the neighborhood and to ride a bicycle for the first time. I am very glad and satisfied with the bike, especially the gravel tires, because I tried it on this gravel road with the snow on it, because we had the first snow today here in the Malmo. So the road is like more like frozen. And then I tried it here, and it was very convenient to being on top of the bike in this road. And but related to this handle, it's too new for me. I always had the regular one, but this one has a new feeling for me. So hopefully I get used to it soon. But I'm satisfied with the bike at the moment. I'm not like the bike expert, so it's not like a review video on this. This is just like a unboxing, trying for the first time, something like this. So if you are looking for some advanced review of this type of bike, this is not the correct place. But yeah, so as I mentioned, I'm not very expert in the bike situation, but I'm trying to learn more about the bike experiences, especially doing the bikepacking. And I intentionally picked this model because I heard a lot that this is a very good model for the bikepacking. So now I want to try more of that in the near future, especially when the weather gets better, maybe during this upcoming summer. Yeah. If you want to see my progress on the biking, and I'll try to share more videos like this, so feel free to subscribe to the channel. And whenever I post something, you will see. And yeah, take care. Bye bye.